Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's not been long. I think I uploaded a video today. So y'all kinda hate on me. Anyways, let's recap on my weekend because my weekend was like really boring, but like I feel like I should just update y'all on what like happened. So Saturday I had like a mini date with my cousins, love that. Just a virtual date, not like physical date. She went out to just celebrate herself, like doing good in life. And as a supportive sister, I just joined her and we had like a video call, just discussed everything in life. It was so good. And then Sunday I went to Pick and Pay. I really needed some stuff. My fridge is looking really empty. Plus, I was still craving that chocolate I talked about in my last vlog. So I bought the biggest slab of chocolate. Ask me. I bought them Sunday. There's no more chocolate left, but let's not talk about it. So I went to Pick and Pay. I picked up some meat, as you can see here, and it was just really like the vibes. I picked up some meat. And later on I was still craving pizza, which I don't afford because I'm really broke, but I thought let me just treat myself to something nice for once. And I got like 2 smallanyana pizzas from Delfano. One was like a fettuccine, I think, then the other was like a Mexican, which is a bit on the chillier side. Yeah, that was our weekend. Anyways, let's get into the video. It was the weekend and I ended up forgetting that, oh my god, Tato, you need to exercise. It's a Monday. Today's leg day, period. Like, I'm trying to be like so consistent with my exercising, my posting, hopefully school when it starts, because I saw a message saying they're postponing class to start on Wednesday, but I saw they said recall. So English is not my real home language, so I don't even know if recall means like it's being moved back to the original or not. So yeah, we will see what happens.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Would you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my thoughts straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my thoughts straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my thoughts straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my thoughts straight. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you.
Oh, okay. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, bow, bow, bow.
I know I've been away.
I'm craving something sweet, so let's go make custard. I have the custard pot. I've already put some milk on the stove to heat up, so yeah.
Trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away.
ordered some stuff from Woolworths. I got these two like masks. See how tiny this thing is? Guess how much? Guess how much? I already threw away the packaging. The packaging online made it look like it's bigger than it is, but it's fine. You know what? It's fine. And I bought myself some wine. I love this shit. Okay, I got this one because you never go wrong with Cape, right? Then also got a different brand. Then the Cape wine is 60 rand per bottle. This is red, and then I got some rosé. ASMR Waterberg, right? So this is, I think, 140 rands per bottle. So I'm treating myself to something nice. The percentage is 11.5. This is 10.5. This is 11.5. So I bought two of these. Here's the other one. Oh, listen to that crunch. Yeah, I live for that. I also got some juices, obviously orange juice. I don't know why I'm such a big fan of orange juice, but I am. I have orange juice in my fridge. Then I bought these for extra, and I obviously bought pussy clean, pussy clean, fresh tides. So yeah, this one's expiring quite quickly actually. So no, it's not. I'm lying. But yeah, so this is my haul of things I just bought today. And guess how expensive these things were. Okay, the number one expensive thing was these, but like, girl has to treat herself to something every now and again, right? And yeah, this is my drop my heart. And then these masks, I'm gonna try it for you guys tonight. And yeah, it says hydrating gel mask. I just washed my face. I have nothing on, so I'm gonna just do it now. Yeah, that's like the consistency.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, away from all my feelings.
I've been thinking a lot about the economy and things that are happening currently, and I'm like, a lot is happening. And I know a lot of my views are based off my opinion or my understanding of what politically is happening in our country right now, but like, a lot has been happening, and genuinely I don't have anyone to discuss it with, because a huge chunk of the youth don't even understand politics, and those that do are very few. Or even if you try talking to them, usually they're not interested in these kind of conversations, because they just like, whatever happens. Anyways, I've had the mask on for like a good 10 or 15 minutes. Like, I read a full chapter, and for you wondering, because I read every day, I read a chapter per day. And today I did not exercise. I was supposed to exercise, but the Wi-Fi wasn't working, so I couldn't like search up a thing. So I don't know if I'm gonna exercise now or later. And then I'm reviewing this wine. Okay, so this is the Waterford Rosemary. It is a wine that originates from Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch is in the Western Cape, I think, and its alcohol percentage is 11.5%. Based off taste, you can tell that it's more of a dry rosé rather than a sweet rosé. It's quite pungent in the flavor. Has a bit of a citrusy flavor, like nectarine or peachy or something. And yes, I'm pretending. I have no idea how to explain that, but then according to the explanation here, produces beautiful elegance, peach undertones on the nose. It smells quite sweet compared to how it tastes. So guys, I've been thinking, and I just realized this week I've been doing nothing. Like the past 5-6 days, I've done nothing. I haven't gone to the shops. I haven't done anything. The last time I was at the shops was the time I went to Pick and Pay, which is not a bad thing. But the bad thing begins when I'm looking at myself for the past few days. I've done nothing productive. I've not cooked. The only thing I've been doing is eating like takeaways and everything. And like honestly, I don't know. Today I think I should cook and stuff. I feel like I'm just ready for school to start at this point because I feel like my life is just it's the same thing over and over, and I feel like it's still gonna be the same thing over and over even when I start going to school and stuff. But at least then it just won't be me wasting time, because I feel like my screen time on average is like approximately like a lot. I spend over 12 hours per day on my phone, just scrolling, doom scrolling. If I'm not, I'm watching YouTube, which is really bad because like I feel like I'm wasting time. And I wanted to show you guys my fridge right now. I do want to do grocery shopping for things like vegetables and fruits, because my carrots are not looking good. This is my fridge, by the way, so can y'all see? I have a bunch of eggs, then cheese, and then this is juice, water, wine, and then yeah, we have some cucumber. Then in the tray below we have carrots, tomatoes, green pepper, onions, and then we have potatoes, then stock, and a bunch of sauces. So I really need to like stock up on some food, because I feel like at this point maybe the reason I'm not cooking is because I don't have vegetables that I like. Oh my god, there's a rotten tomato and rotten like carrots and stuff. I need to clean my fridge now, but I'm lazy. I might do it actually. And then in the deep freeze, do you guys also want to see what's in the deep freeze? Okay, it's fine. Okay, so in the deep freeze, let's see. Just get y'all up there. So we have ice cream, chicken breast, burgers, chips, and a bunch of steaks and minces and all that. So that's what's in my deep freeze. And then in the Checkers package, it's cabbage. So I need to figure out what to do with these veggies that are spoiling for first. And then, oh my god, I've been yapping for so long. I just finished working out. I am sweating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am drenched. And I liked it actually. It wasn't difficult. I could do it. I wasn't struggling to do the poses, which is good. Right now I'm just gonna read my book while I cool down and make sure like I'm fully down to earth. Then I'm gonna just take a shower.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend.
I just finished getting ready, so now I'm gonna just like do skincare as per usual.
She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. And he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yeah, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla speed, let me pull up. Cross in it by, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out this truck. Where the hood niggas said they get the buck. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, niggas show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. Why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me, put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me,
I've had like a really, I don't want to say it's a tough week, but I've really had like the best week. I feel like
Let's just take a second to admire. I look good, right?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up.
Ethical and developmental state. Our most urgent task is to grow our economy so that we can create jobs, business process outsourcing, as well as data centers. As the need for data grows in the world, our country is seen as a reservoir of